Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid. You know what time it is? It's cafecito time. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Veronica and this is House of Cid, where we make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. And today I have a very special limited edition coffee to review for you guys. If you haven't heard, Nespresso's been releasing a lot of new coffees lately, and one of the new coffees they just released, I believe it's been about a month or less. It's the exclusive edition Galapagos. And this one is for the original machine only. So if you have a virtual, I'm sorry, you're not gonna be able to try it. But if you have a original machine, then you definitely need to try this coffee. So let's get started. Okay, so let's see what all this special edition is about. So it's called Galapagos Special Reserve, and it is an espresso shot of 1.35 ounces. It is, let's see what they say about this special coffee, because not only is it special reserve, limited edition, but it's also a little expensive. A rich biodiversity marks the equator straddling Galapagos Islands. The volcanic soils and the cooler climate created by cold, wet ocean winds also contributes to ideal coffee growing conditions. So, in the Special Reserve Galapagos, you'll catch sweet cereal and biscuit notes, which tend to be my favorite when it comes to coffee. So I'm excited. This is a hint of cocoa-like bitterness makes, I need my glasses, marks this coffee's roasted character. Okay. You can make the screen bigger, zoom in. It says, origins, the result of an unusual growing environment, Galapagos espresso yields high altitude sweetness and a low growing fruit, nurtured by phenomenal biodiversity. Okay, so aromatic profile. Our experts bring you an espresso with roasted and sweet cereal and biscuit notes. Like I said, my favorite. It is round with cocoa-like bitterness and full body. Okay, so it is a roastiness of 3, bitterness 3, acidity 3, and body 3. So let's open it. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, if you've bought any of the limited edition coffees, the boxes open differently. They don't open on the side, they open from the top almost. And yes, I said this one is kind of pricey, $2 a capsule, so $20 for the box. But this is supposed to be one of the best coffees, just like the Jamaican Blue Mountain and like Cuba, Puerto Rico. All of those tend to be more expensive because they are special, rare, hard to find. They don't make them year round. So let's see. So yeah, see, this is how you open it. Instead of opening it through here like the other ones, you open it through the top like this. That's what it looks like. It's like a almost dark tealish color with silver. The box, if you could see what that looks like. So it opens on the top. Ta-da! And this is what they look like. They're actually very, very simple looking capsules. They do have a little bit of, they're just silver. And they have a little bit of the swirl design on the top here. It doesn't have the name, which is not great when they don't have the name on the bottom foil, because like I said, some of them have the same color or they don't have a very distinctive pattern on the actual capsule. So these would probably be ones that I would keep in the box and not throw in my little jar. So there it is, Galapagos, $2 a capsule, $20 for the box. but I had to do it. I have to do it for you guys for the channel. I actually like trying the special edition coffees because a lot of them are very flavorful, very different, something I've never had it before. So let's, ooh, I had a capsule in there. So let's try it out. Like I said, this is an espresso size. Yeah, original machine, espresso, 1.35 ounces. So is my machine, yeah, okay, so let's try it out and see what all the fuss is about. Okay, so I'm starting to, go back and forth from original to virtual. I know some people only have virtual machines. Some people only have original machines. Some of us have both, which is like fabulous. And it's actually, I got a reminder on my Facebook and my Instagram that it's a 1 year ago this month, mid-May, that I... Okay, so let's brew Galapagos and see what it's all about. Should be quick since it's only a shot of espresso. So I'm actually excited for this because, like I said, the cocoa cereal biscuit cocoa notes are some of my favorites. Okay, third time's a charm. Okay, so there it is. It's intensity, did it say it? This one does not have an intensity level, which I noticed with the Barista Creations. In my other video I mentioned it, and this one, sometimes these do not have intensity levels. Interesting. Yeah, I don't see an intensity level. So there it is, that's what it looks like. Not too dark, not too light. Probably like medium, so let's try it. Okay, let me get some of those notes first. I don't really smell cocoa or cereal or biscuit, so maybe we'll taste it. Let's taste it. It is a little bit bitter. Not in a bad way though. Okay, once I drink it in the aftertaste, I do get a little bit of like the cereal biscuity note. Okay, not bad. Now let's try it with a little bit of milk. I'm gonna just froth a little bit of half and half. It doesn't really give also like drinking options, which I've noticed some coffees, it doesn't really tell you. It just says, let's see. It doesn't give any like drinking, how you should drink it. So we're just going, try with a little froth, half and half. My Arancino's been acting up, so these little cheap ones from IKEA, I think I paid like $2.75, $2.85. It was less than $3, and I bought a couple of them a few years ago, and they've been lifesavers. So get you one of those. Okay, let's put a little froth milk in here. There it is, cafecito. Oh yeah, the milk definitely brings out more of like the cocoa-y, biscuity cereal flavor. Ooh, oh yeah. This I think will be good for cappuccinos or lattes. But because of the price, the $2, I'm sure people will say just drink it as a straight shot. So unless you're going to be drinking this as a straight shot or just like a little cortado like this, I don't know if it'll be worth it because it's good. I like it, but for $2 a capsule and you're gonna be using it for cappuccinos or lattes, then it's probably a little too expensive. Yeah, I would say drink it as a shot and just add a little bit of milk like this. You have your little cortado in the morning. If you don't know what a cortado is, I made a video early last year, so I'll leave a link to that. It's just a shot with a little bit of milk. Okay, this one's a winner. I like it. I do get more of the little cereal notes and biscuit notes, even cocoa with the milk. By itself, it was a little bitter and I didn't really get that notes, but with the half and half or even a little bit steamed milk, it's a winner. So if you are interested, I would say try it. I only bought one box because last time I bought a lot of boxes of the Jamaican Blue Mountain at $20 a pop. And I don't want to drink them because they're so expensive that I don't want to use them up. I know, silly. So I just bought one box because if I like it, then I'll go ahead and order more. I'm waiting for the Puerto Rico or Cuban cafecito coffee to come back. Those definitely were my favorite last year, but Galapagos is a winner. I like it. It's smooth. It has a good flavor. Not too bold and not too light. It has I would say a little more medium bold. It's a little more bold and light. You guys, this is good. Definitely try it out if you have an original machine, and definitely give our videos thumbs up if you are enjoying our videos, our reviews, our recipes. I know my last strawberry cold foam recipe was a little bit of a fail, but that's okay because we're not about being perfect. We're about learning and trying new things. So I hope you enjoyed that video if you haven't watched it. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are gonna give it a thumbs up. Subscribe because like I said in my other videos, we're gonna have another giveaway for a machine. And once we get to our 5,000 subscriber, we'll be ready to give away a machine. So the sooner you subscribe, the sooner we'll have that giveaway. So thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys next week with another video. In the meantime, you know what to do. Thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy your cafecito. So Galapagos is a thumbs up. Actually,